Hi, I want to talk to you about my boyfriend. I wouldn't really call him my boyfriend. He's more like a mama's boy that I've found. He's a really nice, caring, sweet, loving guy when I met him, and suddenly he just turned into this person that I don't know. I mean, all we do is spend all the time in his house eating his mother's food. And look at me, I've just gained like 20 kgs eating his mother's doklas every single day. I mean, I'm bored. And believe it or not, the first time we went for a movie date, guess what? Mummy ji came along and I couldn't do anything. I mean, I thought I planned all this romantic movie date and everything, and suddenly his mum just turns up all the time. She's there everywhere. She's like that sass who never goes away. She's everywhere. In the bedroom, she's there. When we go for a movie, she's there. We get to go to get a burger at McDonald's, she's there. I mean, I cannot get rid of this woman. I don't know what to do, and I really think he's a nice guy. Away from his mother, he's a really sweet guy, nice, caring guy, and I really like him. But the thing is that I don't know how long I can handle tolerating his mother. I mean, what do I do?
Mama's boy, welcome to India. Because in India, most of the good-looking men are Mama's boy. Mama's boy, because he's been pretty close to the mother. Probably they're very good friends, and over the time, she's the only one who has been with him for quite some time now. If you think that's too much of getting onto your nerves, then you should look for something different. When I say something different, I'm not asking you to move out of the relationship. I think you should talk it out. Because what I believe is, if a guy cannot stand for himself, then don't expect him to stand for you. And all the mothers out there, have some faith on your children and let them free. And all the ladies out there, if you have a mama's boy, I am sure you should not get into too much of an conversation about this, because it's completely okay. But if you think this is too much of a work for you, then find the another good looking man and make sure he's not a mama's boy. And if you're a boy and if you're a mama's boy, I have something to tell you. Guy, grow up. This is Imran Beg signing off for now. Keep watching this space for more, and don't forget to like us and also write in the comments below.